Why a diminished value claim may be important if your expensive vehicle is damaged. Now, diminished value is somewhat simple. Imagine you've got a 2022 Challenger RT. I don't know what these go for today. Let's say it's $25,000 because it's got low miles on it. Let's say you put it up for sale and this car's never been damaged. So people are looking at this car, they run a Carfax and they see it's never been damaged. You're asking $25,000 for it. Now let's say this same car gets in a pretty significant wreck. It's not totaled, but it's been damaged and repaired. Now you're selling the same car, but if somebody pulls a Carfax on it, they're going to say that they'll see that this car was damaged and then repaired again. So if you're the buyer of the car, which one do you want? Do you want the one that's never been damaged, or do you want the one that's been wrecked, repaired? Well, everyone's going to want the car that hasn't been damaged. And the difference in value between the car that was never damaged and the car that was damaged and then repaired is the diminished value. So hypothetically, let's say you're in a situation where you've got a fairly valuable vehicle, it was damaged and repaired. Usually you're not going to be offered diminished value by the insurance company. You'll actually have to make a claim for it. And if this is something that's going to be covered by the insurance company, you're going to need to come to some sort of a number so they can cut you a check for the difference in value of your vehicle. So if you've got a pretty valuable vehicle, let's say you've got a 2022, 1-ton diesel truck. Those things are a lot of money these days. You've got a pretty significant claim for your difference in value. Well, how do you calculate it? It is not simple to look at a car that's been damaged and a car that's not been damaged on the marketplace and determine what that could be. And if it is a fairly significant number, potentially there are actually companies, experts out there that specialize in this kind of thing. I got an email a little bit ago from a company called Automotive Damage Consultants. I don't work with them. I've never used them. I'm not endorsing them. I'm just letting you know that experts exist out there. And this was a recent email I got from them. And at Automotive Damage Consultants, it says they charge $495. They prepare you a detailed diminished value report, and you can use this expert report to submit to the insurance company to say, hey, I need diminished value. This is all the information to support it. Cut me a check. So one option if you're going to pursue a diminished value claim. Otherwise, you can certainly go back and forth with the insurance adjuster on your own and do your best to show the difference between your undamaged vehicle value and then the value of the vehicle after it's been damaged and repaired.